In the year 1920, a young archaeologist named Daniel Carter arrived in Cairo, filled with dreams of discovery. The sun shone brightly over the vast Egyptian desert, illuminating the majestic Great Pyramids that towered against the horizon. The bustling streets of Cairo were alive with merchants, horse carts, and travelers from around the world, all captivated by the mysteries of this ancient land. Daniel was determined to uncover the greatest secret hidden beneath the pyramids, a quest that promised adventure and enlightenment. One day, while delving into dusty scrolls at a library filled with treasures of Egyptian history, Daniel encountered an elderly scholar. The scholar presented him with a mysterious golden map, its surface adorned with intricate hieroglyphics. Legend says a hidden chamber beneath the Great Pyramid contains knowledge lost for thousands of years, the scholar intoned, his voice filled with reverence. As Daniel studied the map, it began to glow with a brilliant golden light, sparking his excitement and sense of adventure. With his loyal camel, Sultan, by his side, Daniel embarked on a journey across the endless desert. The path was fraught with challenges, including ancient ruins and sudden sandstorms. Yet amidst the trials, he was met by friendly Bedouin travelers who shared tales of the land, and he discovered hidden temples buried beneath the sands that whispered stories of the past. The music swelled with an adventurous spirit as the sun set over the horizon, the pyramids looming larger than life in the golden light. Under a moonlit sky, Daniel made a remarkable find, a secret entrance hidden behind a weathered stone wall. With a lantern in hand, he stepped into the dark passageways, walls adorned with colorful hieroglyphics that seemed to tell their own stories. As he ventured deeper underground, ancient murals began to glow, leading him further into the heart of the pyramid. No explorer had ever reached these hidden chambers before, the narrator stated, building the anticipation of what lay ahead. Finally, Daniel reached the magnificent Chamber of Secrets, a vast underground hall filled with wonders. Golden statues towered over crystal artifacts, and ancient scrolls lay waiting to be uncovered. In the center, a giant glowing scarab symbol pulsed with energy. When Daniel touched a stone tablet, magical projections sprang to life around him. He watched in awe as images of ancient Egyptian priests and builders came alive, showing the remarkable construction of the pyramids thousands of years ago. As the magical projection continued, a profound truth emerged: the pyramids were not mere tombs but grand centers of learning, housing knowledge on astronomy, engineering, and wisdom. From the golden light, a spirit guardian appeared, revealing, the greatest treasure is not gold, but knowledge. The chamber glimmered with enlightenment as the guardian's words resonated within Daniel. But just as swiftly as the wonders revealed themselves, danger loomed. Ancient mechanisms activated with ominous sounds, causing stone doors to begin closing. Daniel realized he had to escape the collapsing corridors of the pyramid. As excitement swelled, he raced against time, solving intricate puzzles based on the hieroglyphics that surrounded him. Each challenge he faced brought him closer to freedom as thrilling adventure music filled the air. With barely a moment to spare, Daniel emerged from the pyramid just as the sun began to rise over the desert, casting a warm glow across the landscape. Back in Cairo, he shared his incredible discoveries with scholars and curious children alike. The world began to celebrate the ancient wisdom of Egypt, recognizing the significance of knowledge over material treasures. As the camera panned up, the Great Pyramid stood proudly against the backdrop of a vibrant sunset, glowing with the legacy of the past. Daniel discovered that the true secret of the pyramids was not treasure, but the knowledge left behind for future generations. And so, the moral resonated: knowledge is the greatest treasure anyone can discover, a timeless message that echoed through history.